Good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is audible. I am Amrita Arpita Padhi, a PMRF scholar at University of Hyderabad, and today I will be taking the live interactive sessions for the course Animal Physiology, which is taught by Professor Manak Das. So, first of all, the first rule while attending this class is everyone should be in mute. Okay, please, as many people are there, I don't want to create chaos. So please be in mute. Whatever you want to say, you can write it in the chat box. I will see it. And whoever is raising hand, please write your query in the chat box. So I waited for around 10 minutes. I think many people have joined and we will start the class now. So I hope everyone has attended week 1 lectures, right? This is for week 1, and I hope everyone has attended the lectures for week 1 and has come prepared to the class. So I'm not sure you people have been informed or not, but today we will be discussing previous year questions or assignment questions of week 1 of animal physiology course. Okay, not the current year assignment questions. I hope everyone must be having the current year assignment questions which you need to solve. So to help them or to help uh, okay, still people are joining. Okay, so to help you understand and for a quick revision of the week 1 lectures, we will be doing this session so that you can answer a few questions similar to your current year assignment, right? So this will be the previous year assignment questions just for a practice, and it will test your knowledge of how much you have gained from week 1 lectures. So uh, we will do like this, that I will show you the question and give you around 1 to 2 minutes time, and you need to answer the correct option in the chat box. I'm repeating again. I will show you the question on the screen. Read it thoroughly, properly. Those are very simple questions and take 1 to 2 minutes time. I will give 1 to 2 minutes of time, and you need to think what is the correct answer according to you and type it in the chat box. A, B, C, D, or write the full answer. Anything is okay. Okay? So after that, and yes, keep a mark of how many, and after you are done with answering, I will tell you what is the correct answer, as well as the the explanation of that correct answer, so you can know you have given a correct answer or wrong answer, and accordingly keep noting how many correct answers and how many wrong answers you are giving for this present session, so we can know how much is your score at the end of the session. It's like a practice session. Okay, so everyone be active and attentive in the class. That will be helpful for all of us, especially for you guys. Okay, so I am Amrita, and today we'll be starting with the first session of this year for the course Animal Physiology. Okay, just give me 1 minute and we'll start. Okay, so we'll start with the first question. Is everyone ready? Please give a thumbs up or yes in the chat box so that I can know you people are listening. Okay, okay, great, great. So just let me know. Can you see the first question? Is it visible? Okay, great. So the first question is dash refers to the relatively stable state inside the body of an animal. Homeostasis, equilibrium, fluid balance, or organ symmetry. I'll repeat once more. Dash refers to the relatively stable state inside the body of an animal. Homeostasis, equilibrium, fluid balance, or organ symmetry. So the attendance is now 48. So I need 48 answers from each one of you. Okay? I hope I can expect that much. Yeah, great. I can see answers coming. Still, people are joining. I just want to inform you guys, please be on time so that we can utilize the time effectively. It's already 7:17. Please try to be on time. Okay? Anyway, we have only 10 questions to discuss for this session, so I don't think it will take 2 hours of time. But still, it's better to start on time. We can end early, but it's better to start on time, right? Okay, let me see what answers you people are giving. A. Everyone has given A. Okay. Whoever is joining late, please catch up. Okay. We are still in the first question. Please read the question on the screen and try to answer it in the chat box. Do not unmute your audios. Okay. Okay. It's a very simple question, I guess. Right? For the first session and first question, it's very simple. And should we go on to discuss the right answer now? Is everyone done? Okay, let's start discussing the correct answer. So the correct answer is A. I think everyone has given the correct answer, right? Homeostasis refers to the relatively stable state inside the body of an animal. So as you can see here in the figure, many variables like body temperature, fluid balance, blood sugar levels, regulate the homeostasis in our body, and many actions take place to regulate the homeostasis levels in our body, like hypothalamus regulates the temperature and osmotic pressure, kidneys maintain water balance, blood is distributed throughout our body through the blood vessels, skeletal muscles contracts and release heat, pancreas regulates the blood sugar, and evaporation of water helps regulate our body temperature. So these are the examples of how our body maintains homeostasis, that is the state of steady internal physical and chemical conditions that is maintained in the living systems. Not just human body, but all living systems maintain homeostasis for their living, right? Okay, I guess this much explanation is enough, and it was a very simple question, direct question, right? Okay, we'll move on to the second question. Animals that do not have internal control of their body temperature are called dash. Bovines, ectotherms, homeostasis, feline. Again, a very, very simple question. Okay, I'm not sure how, like, what you people are studying. Like people are in MSc, BSc. I'm not sure about that. Okay, at last we will have an introduction of each one of you. Okay, let's discuss the questions first, and then we can have an introduction of what everyone is doing currently. Please keep noting down how many correct answers and how many wrong answers you're giving. We can just know your score at the last. Okay. Yeah, I can see answers coming. B. Ectotherms. You feel ectotherms is the correct answer? We'll see that. Still people are joining. It's already 7:20. Please attend the lectures every time you join this live interactive session, because it's only helpful only when you have attended the lecture for that particular week. If you have not attended the lecture and you are joining the live interactive session, it may not be that much helpful, as you will be having no clue on what topic we are going to discuss today. Okay, so attending the lectures is very important, so don't miss that. Done, everyone is done with the answers. Many people are raising hands, I don't know why. Can can you please write your query in the chat box if you have any query? Whoever is joining late, please catch up. We are done with the first question and this is the second question. Yes, and one more thing for your kind information, I am recording this session. So whoever has missed the questions or has joined late, they can I will be uploading these interactive sessions. I will be uploading these interactive sessions recording in my YouTube channel, and you will be getting the link for that YouTube channel soon. And then whoever has missed the session can go back and listen to the recording as well, right? But yes, you always have the recording, but it's better if you join the live class and give answers by yourself and know your state of knowledge, right? About exams, I don't know at all, because I am only in charge of these live interactive sessions. Other than that, I have no idea about how your exams will be. I think it is a mix of objective and subjective questions. I'm not sure though. Previous year, I am telling the format, I think it was objective plus subjective as well. But I'm not sure about this year. And I'm not in charge of that as well. So I have no say on that. Okay. It's only the first week. Do not worry about the exams yet. You have more time to think about it. For now, just be thorough with your lectures and the questions of previous years and the current year assignment questions. Try to do them well. Okay. At the end, like this is a 12-week course, so by the end of the 12th week, I think you will be having the format of the exam as well. So do not worry about that too much. Okay, I think it's high time. I don't think I think this much time is enough for second question, and the correct answer is ectotherms. I think everyone has given a correct answer. So, what are ectotherms? So, ectotherms are those animals that change the internal body temperature according to the outside temperature of the environment, right? So, here from the graph, you can know that internal temperature of the animal body is directly proportional to the outside temperature. With an increase in the outside temperature, animals internal temperature also increases. right? For example, snakes, reptiles, crocodile is also a reptile. These all are ectotherms. They do not generate heat on their own from the inside of the body to maintain their temperature, but they keep changing their internal body temperature according to the outside temperature. Those are called ectotherms. And what is the opposite of ectotherms? Those are endotherms, which maintain their body temperature and do not change the temperature continuously according to the outside temperature. Like human beings are endotherms, right? Not ectotherms. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. Third, the Arctic fox uses its dash as an extra insulation when it curls up to sleep in cold weather. Other than these live interactive sessions, I have no idea about other things like exams, weekend results, assigned current year assignment results. I have no idea all about that. I'm only in charge of the live interactive sessions. And you have any doubt regarding these sessions, that I can clear for sure. Okay. Yes, I know. Three instructors are there for this course. So you may have discussed, you can join any of the one of these live interactive sessions and discuss the questions. Okay. So I think three people are uh, selected for taking the live interactive sessions for animal physiology course. So we all three will be discussing the same questions. So it's up to you which time is suitable for you, which day is suitable for you. According to that, join the live interactive session and discuss the questions. Okay, whichever class you like, whichever session you like, you can just join that session and know it, but we all three will be discussing probably the same questions. Yeah, the teaching pattern may be different, but questions are same. Where can we find the previous live interactive session? Previous in the sense, I think I am not sure other two people have taken which day, but we all are instructed to record the sessions and upload them in the YouTube channel, and you will be getting the link soon, not now I guess, but I mean within 1 week they will send you the link. NPTEL people will send you the link. Okay, this is week 1, so you are at week 1. If you have even missed previous live interactive session, you can just discuss the questions today. It's the same questions what other two people have. I think they have days before me. I think someone is taking Saturday and Sunday and I am taking on Tuesday. So if you have missed the classes of Saturday and Sunday, you can just join on Tuesday, or whatever class, whichever teaching you are liking it, you can just join on that class. Okay, no problem. 3, ma'am, your YouTube channel name. I have not made it yet. Today is the first class, right? So after this session is over, I'll get the recording. Then I will make the YouTube channel. I'll create the YouTube channel and upload the video. Okay, if you ask me next class, I'll make sure that I have the link with me. But for now, I don't have it. These questions are not similar, I mean, not repetitive questions to your current year assignment questions. That is what matters. This shouldn't be same to your current year assignment questions. Okay, I guess it is not. Still people are joining. It's already 7:30. Whoever is joining late, please try to be on time so that we can start on time. Because of the late joiners, the early joiners are waiting, right? Okay, I hope everyone is done with the third question answer. Okay, we'll discuss what is the correct answer to this question. So the correct answer is A. Fluffy tail. The Arctic fox uses its fluffy tail as extra insulation when it curls up to sleep in cold weather. So here you can see the Arctic fox, how it has curled up and used its fluffy tail to act as an insulator during cold weathers. So first of all, how Arctic foxes are able to survive in extremely cold conditions. First point is because they have very low surface area to volume ratio. Like compared to other species of foxes, they are generally smaller in size. That is, they have shorter legs, shorter necks, smaller ears. That means there is less surface area to be exposed to lose heat when compared to other foxes, right? First thing is that. Then they have this thick camouflaged seasonal fur. Why camouflaged? Because this fur color can change according to seasons. When the season is wintry, when the season is cooler, the fur can change to that color, and when it is the vegetarian period is going, they can change into that color. That's why they have this thick and camouflaged seasonal fur, right? Which is also very highly insulating. And next, third, coming to the point of the question, they have this thick fur on the tail which they curl up when they are feeling cool to generate heat and feel extra warm during the cold conditions. So this wrapping up of the tail acts as an insulation to keep them warm. Okay, okay, it was very simple, I guess. We'll move on to the next question. Fourth, the processes of temperature control are centered in the dash of the advanced animal brain. Camouflage means, I'll give you an example. Chameleon. The animal changes the color of the body according to the environment. If the environment is of green color, like if it is on a leaf or on a tree, and the color is green, they change their skin color according to that. They will change the skin color to green color. And why this camouflage exactly happens is to be prevented from the predators, so that uh, their, what we say, the enemies who want to eat them, they can be protected from them because they will be mixed in the environment. You can't see that there is an animal because the color of the skin and the color of the surrounding environment is same. So they will be protected from the predators. That is known as camouflage, changing the body color or skin color according to the environment they are living in. Okay, the best example is chameleon, and that's what the Arctic fox does too. It changes to a darker color when the season is not that cool to be mixed with the vegetarian environment, and when the season is much cooler, extreme cold conditions, snowfall is there, they change into a very lighter shade of skin color, like white color. Okay, okay, so the fourth question, I can see many people. I hope 53 people are there. I just hope everyone is giving the correct, not correct answer, like everyone is giving answers. Ma'am, how many sessions are conducted in a week? I will be conducting only one session per week. That is on Tuesday from 7 to 9 p.m. Okay? I will be conducting only one session per week, that is on Tuesday. So you can join on Tuesday 7 to 9 p.m. to discuss the previous year questions, so that it will be easier for you to get an idea of the current year assignments as well. And also for a quick revision of your week 1 lectures, right? Rest About, if you're asking me about other people, I'm not sure about when they are taking and what is the time. For me, I'm saying it is Tuesday, 7 to 9 p.m. And it's the same. You can join any session you want. Or you can join all three sessions also. No problem. What is the process of assignments? I think you're getting the assignment questions online and you just have to choose the option and you just have to choose the option and submit it. I think that is the process of assignments. Is it fine if I join only one session? It's totally up to you. You can join all three, you can join one, that is up to you. Okay. If someone has missed one live interactive session, they can catch up in the other one. Okay. Because recordings will take time. How many assignments per subject? This animal physiology course is of 12 weeks, so you will be getting 12 assignments, current year assignments, which you have to solve and submit. And here I will be taking 12 live interactive sessions throughout 12 weeks, and here we will be discussing the previous year questions. Okay. See, this year they are taking meeting attendance as well. Previously, it was not there. So I can't say that you should join only one session or three sessions. If you are available, please join all the sessions. Okay? Okay. I think we can move on to the correct answer of fourth question, which is hypothalamus. Okay, so the processes of temperature control are centered in the hypothalamus of the advanced animal brain. So here you can see how hypothalamus is controlling the temperature in our body. So in hot conditions, there is a reduction in the temperature through sweat glands or vasodilation, that is dilating of blood vessels, expansion of blood vessels through which it changes the body temperature to normal again. Or if in cold conditions, the temperature generation mechanisms happen like in adipose tissue or somatic muscles shivering, which happens in cold conditions, which leads to heat production in our body. So, hypothalamus is the main center which has the central thermoreceptors and peripheral thermoreceptors for maintaining temperature in both conditions, hot as well as cold conditions. Right? Okay. Great. We'll move on to the fifth question. Dash is the process of maintaining salt and water balance across membranes within the body. Distillation, osmoregulation, salt acid balance, or pH. Dash is the process of maintaining salt and water balance across membranes within the body. Distillation, osmoregulation, salt acid balance, or pH. What is the process about written by NPTEL exam? Written in the sense I couldn't get your question. While writing exam process is what? I said that I really don't know how is your exam pattern. When when I was in my MSc, I attended NPTEL classes, and for exam it was an offline exam. So we had to go to a center which was assigned, and as far as I remember, both MCQs and subjective questions were there. Okay, so it's been 4 years now. Now, what is the pattern? I don't know exactly. Like, I am not in charge of that. You can see the NPTEL website. I think on the main page of your animal physiology course, I think it is there. Okay. As I said, you don't need to worry about exams from now. It's only the first week. I think duration is 3 hours. I'm thinking so. I'm saying now, when you will be at the 11th or 12th week, I think they will be giving you the proper exam pattern and time of the question. It's not there. Okay, then they will give you. You don't have to worry about that. Okay, I think it's 3 hours. But I'm telling from my experience. I don't know what is the situation now. You don't have to worry about all that. That I think that much is sure that you will be having MCQs as well as subjective questions. So be prepared for that. That is for sure. Other than that, what is the exam duration and it will be offline or online? That I'm not sure. Okay, please give the answers so that we can discuss the correct answer to fifth question. You people are in that same song, huh? Exam, exam, exam. I really don't know. I really don't. I'll tell you. Whenever I get to know, I will tell you people. Okay? Don't worry about exams from now. Just attend the sessions, attend the lectures, try to answer the current year assignments properly. I think assignments also have marks. So be careful in answering those assignments. Okay, for now, that is your job. That you should answer the assignments because those also carry marks, which will be added to your final exam marks, right? That's why we're having these live interactive sessions now, so that you can have a practice of how to answer the assignment questions. Although these are very simple questions, okay? You can, if you have gone through the lectures once, you can definitely answer these questions, right? We will receive assignments through emails. Till now, you haven't received any assignment? No, I think it's on the website. It's on the website. You have to go and see. They won't mail you. Wherever on whatever site you are, you can get the previous year questions through me only. I will be the one who will be sharing the. Uh, yes, it's on the website. I'm telling, right? Previous year questions you can only get from me. Assignment questions are on the website. I'm not sure if they will be mailing you or not. Okay, we'll discuss the fifth answer. The fifth answer is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation is the process of maintaining the salt and water balance across membranes within the body. So here you can see many hormones are there which are involved in this process, like aldosterone, angiotensin 2 and antidiuretic hormones, that is ADH. So if the water content in our body or the salt content in our body has become high, then the brain produces less ADH, that is antidiuretic hormone, and low volume of water is reabsorbed in our kidney. Kidneys are the main organs for this process, which are regulating this process, salt and water balance in our body. So the urine output will be high if the water content of the blood is high, and larger volume of diluted urine will come out. And if the water content of the body has become low because of too much of sweating, and the water content has become low in the blood, then brain produces more ADH, which will result in high volume of water reabsorbed by the kidney, and then ultimately the urine output will be low. The volume will be small, as well as it will be more concentrated. Okay, so this process is known as osmoregulation. Okay, we'll move on to the sixth question. Dash is a medical process of removing wastes and excess water from the blood by diffusion and ultrafiltration. Blood transfusion, blood thinning, dialysis, nephritis. Dash is a medical process of removing wastes and excess water from the blood by diffusion and ultrafiltration. Blood transfusion, blood thinning, dialysis, nephritis. Yeah, someone said it correct. Ajay. Guys, please all complete the lecture, then ask questions, right? How can we get the guide and notes? Which notes? I think everything, transcripts of lectures are also there on the website. Please, everyone, go through the website first. Lectures, assignments, everything related to it are in the website. If something is there not there in the website, then I also don't know that. I am only in charge of live interactive sessions. Okay. For now, please focus on the assignments, current year assignments, as well as the questions I am discussing here are also important from the exam point of view. You can get questions from previous year assignments as well as from current year assignments in the exam. Some notes are there, but some are not. So that's the job of the course instructor. So if some are not there, maybe they will be uploaded in some time. Okay, it will be uploaded. Even if transcripts are not there, you can just go through the lectures. Even if it's not there, I am in no position to like get them. You can mail to the NPTEL team if you have any queries. That will be better. They can answer you, right? You have any queries regarding exam pattern or current year assignments or notes, something is missing, you have any doubts, please mail to the NPTEL team and they can solve it for you. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding the live interactive sessions, I am here to help you. But other than that, even I don't have that much knowledge. Okay. I guess everyone has stopped answering and they are just asking questions. Please, can you all get back to the questions? Has everyone answered? Sixth question. Done? 57 people are there. I'm not sure if 57 people are answering questions. See, I will be asking marks also. Okay. Let's discuss the correct answer. The correct answer is dialysis. Dialysis is a medical process of removing wastes and excess water from the blood by diffusion and ultrafiltration. So, as you can see here in the picture, this is a hemodialyzer machine which is used for dialysis in, and this is commonly used when a person has kidney failure, right? For kidney failure, a dialysis machine is nothing but an artificial kidney that is designed to remove the impurities from your blood. So the blood flows through the dialyzer and gets filtered and is again returned back to our body. The filtered blood is again returned back to our body. So whatever function the kidneys were doing for us, and if kidney failure is there, this machine will do it for you. Okay, so this is during dialysis, physicians use the dialysis excess to circulate your blood through the machine to remove impurities and then regulate fluid and chemical balances, and then the purified blood is again returned to you through the dialysis excess. This is the dialysis excess. Okay, I hope it is clear. We'll move on to the next question. Seventh question. Any homeostatic process that changes the direction of the stimulus is a positive feedback loop, negative feedback loop, equivalent loop, or distributive loop. Any homeostatic process that changes the direction of the stimulus is a positive feedback loop, negative feedback loop, equivalent loop, or distributive loop. Start answering. Still people are joining. We are done with 70% of questions already. So whoever are joining late, please catch up for now, and later you will be shared with the link of this recording session, and you can just go through it. Okay. Every Tuesday we can meet here at 7 o'clock, 7 p.m., and discuss the live interactive sessions for that week. And next time, for next Tuesday, everyone, please be on time so that you don't miss out on any question. Okay. Okay, everyone done with the seventh answer? Should we discuss what is the correct answer to it? Okay, let's see. The correct answer is negative feedback loop. Any homeostatic process that changes the direction of the stimulus is a negative feedback loop. For example, you can see the example of a negative feedback loop here. When the body temperature decreases, the heating process is activated like shivering, and then the body temperature increases. This is one thing. And again, when the body temperature increases, cooling process is activated, sweating, and the body temperature decreases. There is a change in the direction of the stimulus. This is an example of a negative feedback loop. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Heat can be exchanged between an animal and its environment through radiation, evaporation, convection, radiation, evaporation, B, convection and conduction, C, radiation, or D, radiation, evaporation, convection and conduction. Whoever is raising hand, please type your query. Okay, everyone is done with the eighth question. Okay, people are still answering. I'll give some more time. People are still joining. It's already 1 hour over, and even we are at the eighth question. Just two more questions are there. So, whoever has missed the class, please be patient. You will be getting the link of the recording session soon, and then you can just go through that recording. Okay, but it's better if you join the live interactive session, right? It's called live for a reason, so that you can practice here with me. You can give the answers, and I can know, you can know how much you know. So please take out at least 1 hour and 1.5 hour time. I think every session we will be having 10 to 15 questions. And if it's those are simple questions, I don't think we will take more than 1 to 1.5 hour time. Right? And I think that much time you can take out easily. Okay. I think we can now discuss what is the correct answer to eighth question, which is D. I think till now everyone is giving correct answers because these are very simple answers, and I hope that you all have gone through the lecture as well. Okay. So, heat can be exchanged between an animal and its environment through radiation, evaporation, convection, and conduction. All the four processes. Here you can see how Radiation means heat gain from the hot surroundings, and then convection heat gain is there. Conductive heat gain, that is contact gain, heat gain through body contact, and radiant heat loss, evaporative heat loss. Evaporation is there. Convective heat loss is also there. Resting heat production increases 3 to 6 times when a man works. So these are the four processes through which our body heat is exchanged through to the environment. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. When bacteria are destroyed by leukocytes, dash are released into the blood. Fatty acids, carbohydrates, pyrogens, or pathological particles. Okay, can anyone answer what are pyrogens exactly? I can see many people are giving answer as C, but what are pyrogens exactly? Does anyone know? Please write down in the chat box. What are pyrogens? Yes. Fever producing agent. Okay, anyone else? Agents that cause fever. Same thing. Yes. Pyrogens are agents that cause fever to fight with a particular infection. When the body is fighting with a particular infection, these pyrogens are released by bacteria to produce fever in our body, which will increase our body temperature. Okay, so as you can all know, the correct answer is pyrogens. So what are pyrogens? These are the substances that induce fever. So they act as these thermoregulatory centers because they inhibit these heat sensing neurons while stimulating the cold sensing neurons, thus resulting in hypothalamus, which increases our body temperature above the normal range, and this results in a condition which we all know as fever. So the action of pyrogen result from a febrile response is to be thought that our body's ability to combat with infection. The action of pyrogen starts when our body is combating with infection. It is fighting with the infection, and as a result of which it results in increase in body temperature to inhibit the growth of infectious microbes that cannot tolerate high temperature range. Okay. Okay. So we'll move on to the last question of our session. Dash is often associated with lack in production of insulin, diabetes, diarrhea, hay fever, arthritis. A very simple question. I think everyone knows what is the correct answer. Whoever is raising hand, if I missed anything, if you still have any query, please write down in the chat box. I think even if anyone has not studied, they can answer this question very easily. Hmm? It's a case from home to home. Dash is often associated with a lack in production of insulin, diabetes, diarrhea, hay fever, or arthritis. Done? Everyone is done answering? Okay, everyone is done. People are still answering. Okay, done. Okay, someone has asked something. What is AV fistula importance in dialysis? As far as I know, AV fistula is a surgical connection. Like I said about dialysis access, right? It is the best type of dialysis access in that they will connect your artery and vein, and the blood will flow directly from the artery to the vein. This is I'm not sure about exactly on which parameters they do this, but it's a kind of a surgical connection between an artery and a vein when your blood is directly transferred from your artery to the vein. And it's like, because dialysis goes for a long time, and this type of connection is mostly preferred and generally lasts longer in comparison to other dialysis access. Okay. Okay, so we'll discuss the last answer, which is obviously diabetes. So, diabetes is a condition when there is lack of production of insulin, due to which the blood glucose levels are not regulated in our body. So, you can see here under normal blood glucose levels how much is the glucose levels and how much are the blood cells. And when there is high blood glucose levels, you can see these yellow granules of glucose here. Okay, so with diabetes, your body can't make enough insulin. So, diabetes is a very chronic disorder, like chronic means long lasting health condition which is uncurable, and that affects how our body turns to food into energy. Your body breaks down most of the food you eat into sugar, that is glucose, and release it into your bloodstream. And when this glucose is not regulated properly in your body because of the lack of insulin, it results in diabetes. Okay. Okay, with this we are at the end of our today's live interactive session. I hope everyone felt it is helpful in revising your lectures as well as for practicing questions. Okay, so first of all, let me see how much marks you all have got. Please write down your score out of 10 in the chat box. Everyone got 10. There's no one who has done a single mistake. Okay, I can see 7, 9. Okay, 9, 10, 8, 10. Okay, 8. Okay, okay, great. I don't think anyone has got that much bad marks. Whoever has given wrong answers, please go through the lecture again and see why you have given the wrong answer, what you missed, and what you should have known. Okay, there is nothing to worry about, it's just the first week, and whoever is feeling they are back, they can just start now and cope up with others, right? Okay, so before I end this session, I would like to know what you people are doing currently. Like, what you people are studying. Is anyone studying or doing job? I have no idea. So let's start with the introduction. Please, everyone, write down what is your qualification currently, so that I can know the population to whomever I am teaching now. Like, are you a MSc student in which subject? From where you are? I would love to know that. Okay, second year BSc Botany Zoology. Ma'am, you have conduct the test. I couldn't understand Priyanka. What are you trying to say? Okay, most people are in MSc or BSc. Okay, okay, someone. Okay, I am also from Odisha. I could see someone wrote I am Odia. Okay, many people, Sambalpur University, Priyanka sir. Okay, so most people are in masters now. I saw one who is in PhD, I guess, from South Korea, second year Christ University, doing triple majors in BA Psychology, Sociology, and English. Great. I have a foreign student as well. That's really nice. Okay, BSc Clinical Laboratory Technology and Zoology, Meghalaya. Okay, okay, great. Great to know you all, and I hope we will be meeting for the next 11 weeks for discussing these live interactive sessions and have a great time with you all, useful time so that you can score good marks in your exam. Ultimately, the goal is to get a certificate, right, for this course and to gain some good knowledge from this animal physiology course. Yes, all of my lectures will be in MCQ form because your current year assignments are in MCQ form, right? So obviously the previous year questions are also in MCQ form. We will be discussing only multiple choice questions. Okay. Anything else? Any doubts? I'm glad you all introduced yourself and I have done my introduction. I am in my PhD third year. I'm studying here in University of Hyderabad. Ma'am, can you please mention the lab conditions in HCU? Okay. Uh, like it depends, right? From lab to lab, it differs. I am in Department of Animal Biology, and I can say my lab is pretty good. I'm working on proteins, proteasomal degradation, and what else? It depends on which lab you choose and what are the lab conditions. Okay. Funding is good. You can check the profile of the lectures professors on the website. Like you can check the recent publications they're having. Based on that, you can know what is the funding of the lab, right? I can't say about every lab I know here. I am too much occupied in my lab work to know about others. Approximate short-term non-lethal for body temperature in Fahrenheit. Please don't ask me any current year questions because I won't be saying you that. You have to answer it on your own. Okay? From where you did your bachelor's and master's, please share. I did my bachelor's in Odisha from Berhampur. I'm not sure if you have heard of that city. And in Berhampur, I was studying in Khalikot College. And after BSc, I did my master's in Central University of Punjab. I cleared the CUSET exam and then I was studying in Punjab, and after that I joined PhD in HCU. Yeah, I think masters in HCU is pretty good because I myself take masters classes and I can see that compared to Punjab, here the exposure is more for students in masters. You can learn a lot in masters, I guess, from labs, from your dissertation, from practicals as well are pretty good. And teachers, even the professors, even give much emphasis to students. Okay, done. Anyone has any doubt for the live interactive session? If no, we can stop here and we can meet again next Tuesday. That I don't know. CSIR net syllabus aligned with HCU semester syllabus. How can I know that? I am taking practical classes in masters for master's students. But what is the CSIR net syllabus? Yeah, I think it is quite aligned. It is aligned, I guess. As far as I know from my master students. You work now in a teaching field now. No, I am doing research in lab, and because I am a PMRF fellow, it is compulsory for me to teach online or offline, whatever is suitable for me. So I opted to teach online through a NPTEL platform. Okay. Okay, these questions will go on. Like these are not related to live interactive session questions. I don't know I'm allowed to tell them or not. Okay, whatever it is, I can answer it, no problem. Because, but now if anyone doesn't have any further questions, should we stop? Any important questions? Anything else? Okay, fine. We'll stop here for today, and next Tuesday you can join. Please, everyone be on time. 7 p.m. means 7 p.m. I don't know why anyone is joining now. Okay, whoever is joined late, please wait for at least 1 week. You will be getting the link for these recordings through the YouTube channel. I will be uploading on my YouTube channel soon, and you will get the links as well. Okay, and we'll meet again next Tuesday. Okay, thank you, everyone. Okay, bye. Okay, thank you, thank you. I'll end the class. Bye. Thank you, thank you. Bye.